What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request everyone that's watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the videos. The thumbs up means a lot, the comments, all that good stuff. But yeah, let's just get straight into this one without waffling further. We've got the standard Puma green and white box. Needs no introduction. Straight on to the label, and it says RSZ molded, and then the color is Puma White Harbor Mist. The code is 383704002, UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11, centimeters 29, and they are made in Vietnam. Yes, so you people may have seen the black pair that I reviewed. This is the white pair, the summer pair, the good pair for the summer. Let's get straight into the colors. Obviously you can tell the sole all white, plain white, that Puma RS running system sole, crispy white. Midsole again all white on the midsole. We do have that silver on the back just on the heel, but the rest is all white, clean crispy white. Then we've got some leather on the back. It does feel like a leather on the back. And then we've got, I don't know what to call this, it's like a textured material there. Then we've got like a neoprene type Puma swoosh is what I'll call it. Then we've got more of that textured type leather, got more of the neoprene up there going down, leather wrap around on the toe box, and then we've got mesh toe box, so you know they won't get creased. We've got like 3M on here, so little details of 3M, and we've got a little tab here, not really for anything special. And then we've got the rounded laces, which I really do like. They are just plain, no reflective or nothing like that. On the tongue we've got RS running system in that same silver color, and then obviously on the inside it's the same thing as on the other side, same materials. On the heel we've got this, I really need to brush up on my materials name, to be honest. We've got this pull tab that they have, so it's like plastic and then a string thing. I have never used the pull tab, to be honest. Then the back we've got that silver Puma logo. All in all, very nice trainer, very nice cool shoe for the summer. You know, a lot of Pumas, there are a lot of white ones, they're all good for the summer. This one is definitely on that list. This cost around £60, so you know, a good price. You can't really go bad with around 60 quid for a pair of trainers. But yeah, let me know what you think of the review. Let me know what you think of the shoe. I really like it. I'd say 9 out of 10. And yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot video. And most importantly, take care, my people.